In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automated out-of-office response in Slack. Whether you're stepping away for a few hours or taking a longer break, setting this up ensures teammates know you're unavailable and how to proceed while you're gone. Start by opening Slack and clicking your profile picture. This opens a small menu where you can update your status. Look for the option to set or update your status and choose an out-of-office preset if you see one, or a similar option that signals you're away. If there isn't a preset available, that's totally fine. Just write your own. Keep the message clear and helpful. A good out-of-office note might include when you expect to be back and who to contact for urgent matters. Short, direct, and friendly tends to work best. Remember, this message is what others will see when they hover over your name, open your profile, or try to reach you, so make it informative at a glance. Next, add an expiration. This is a small but important detail because it automatically clears your away status when you return. Choose the date and time you're back, or pick a window that matches your break. If you aren't sure, you can leave it without an end time and clear it manually later. But setting the expiration helps you avoid showing as away longer than intended. While you're here, consider pausing notifications. Turning on the pause ensures you won't get pings and alerts while you're off, which helps you truly step away. Your teammates will still know that you're out of office, and you can catch up when you're back. If you prefer to keep an eye on things, leave notifications on. The key is choosing what supports your focus and rest. Once your message, expiration, and notification preference look good, confirm the update. Your out-of-office status is now live and colleagues will immediately see it. If you want a more advanced setup, you can use Slackbot to create custom responses. This is useful when you want automatic messages sent in specific situations, like when someone sends you a direct message or uses certain keywords. Keep the custom reply concise, reiterate that you're away, include your return time frame, and point people to the right contact or resource. Keep in mind that availability and options may vary depending on your workspace settings, so test your message and confirm it behaves as expected. That's it. With a thoughtful status, an expiration, and the option to pause notifications, or a tailored Slackbot reply, you'll set clear expectations and make your time away smoother for everyone.